A breakthrough is near for you. Hi, Chelsea here. Good morning. It's Wednesday. And yes, ang aga pa dito sa amin. A breakthrough is near for you. Alam nyo, parang malakas yung feeling ko talaga na parang yung mga pinagpe-pray ko na malaking blessing malapit na. Parang the more you commit to the Lord, you connect with Him from time to time, all the time. Parang it made me realize na mangyayari na siya before matapos ang buwan na to. Kaya ikaw na nasa kabilang screen, kung ano man yung pinagpipray mo, mina-manifest, dinidream of, work hard on, maniwala ka, malapit na yan, bibigay na yan sa'yo. Basta wag ka lang sumuko at palaging mag-pray, magtiwala, and maniwala na ibibigay na yan sa'yo at this month na yun. Yun. So, yun ang ating winning mindset for this Wednesday. So, I guess, yun naisip ko lang din na yun na lang yung natin, winning mindset natin every Wednesday, diba? Believe that you will have it and God will make it happen for you. Anyong, ingat kayo. God bless, mama.